Welcome friends to this video. Today I will show you how you can cancel your ProBiller membership. So friends, let's get started. If you want to cancel membership, guys, you don't have any directly option to cancel membership on your account, but you have contact option through live chat and through call us, through email us. If I start, guys, from call us, you can call this number +1 855 232 and then just click call this option. For example, you are from Argentina or Canada, just click this number and click open here, and then you will open your mobile device calls option calls. As you can see here, device calls, choose Android or any phone you have, and then write your request to cancel your subscription through calling calls. And this is the first one, but you can use a live chat, guys. You can write the support ticket here, write your name here and your email address, and then you can enter your inquiries here. For example, cancellation request, for example this one, and you can start the chat from here with support team to cancel your membership with support team. And then you can send also email us, guys. This is option 3. You can contact him through email. You email him through this email, guys. As you can see here, just a way to loading this email message. From the subject, write request cancellation, for example, and write your, for example, I want to cancel my subscription or my membership, and write here, guys, your reason you want to cancel your subscription. As you can see here, write all the reason you want to cancel the subscription, and then click just send. This is how you can do, guys. And if you have any problem, you can use other country number from here to cancel your membership. Thanks, guys, for watching this video. See you on another video.